In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a private app in HubSpot. Now, the first thing you have to do is make sure you are logged in into your super admin account, because if you're not, you won't be able to do this. Private apps provide an access token to securely integrate custom external tools using the HubSpot API. So let me show you how to do this. You want to go to the top right, click on the settings cogwheel. And when you do this, over here on the left, you want to go to integrations. So just click on integrations. It's here under account management. And you can see private apps are in here. So when you click on that, it's first going to say you have to go to legacy apps because they have moved. So just click on go to legacy apps, or you could also just click on legacy app by default over here. Now to do this, you then want to click on create legacy app in the top right. And then from here, you simply want to follow the on-screen instructions. So it's going to say what type of it you want to create. I'm going to do private for one account. And then here it's going to tell you you can of course use service keys because they are a better path. If that's what you want to do, you can just click on that. Or if you still want a legacy private app, you can just click on I understand. Of course, you want to make sure that they have limited functionality and won't receive future platform updates, and then click on continue with legacy private app. From here, you want to go and give it a name. So I'm actually going to just leave a random new name over here. Description, I'm going to leave it blank, but it's up to you what you put here. And of course, you can add a logo as well. Then you want to go to scopes. Here you want to add your scopes by clicking add new scope. And of course, you want to click on the check marks next to all of these that you want to add and click on update. They're then going to be put on here, and you can also read a summary over here. And then you can go to webhooks. You can set these up as well if you wanna, and then just hit the create app button top right. You can click on continue creating. And that's really all you have to do to create a private app in HubSpot, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.